Here's how to upload a YouTube short from your desktop. There are 3 key points that you need to follow, but I'm gonna walk you through it and tell you about them while we go through the tutorial. So let's get into it. The first key point is that when you drag and drop a file to upload, you need to make sure your video is a vertical video. The dimensions for this would be 1080 by 1920. Now type in your title, description, thumbnail, all of the general stuff that you would do for a regular YouTube video, except the next key point for uploading this is you need to hashtag shorts in the title. This also needs to be at the end of the title, not the beginning. It doesn't matter if you do it lowercase or uppercase. I normally do lowercase, but either way, it'll recognize that it's a YouTube short. The final key piece to this is that your video needs to be 60 seconds or less, which is about the length of a TikTok video on average. So make your videos 60 seconds or less. Now when you're ready to publish and you've finished everything else, you can see how your video looks. As you see, there are black bars on the side, but these will not be visible once the video is actually uploaded. It will just be vertical and it'll be recognized as a YouTube short. Now go to the video section in your channel, and as you can see, all of the YouTube shorts have this red logo, which is the YouTube Shorts logo, and all of my regular videos are widescreen and do not have that logo. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and drop a comment as to what you'd like to see next. I'll see you next time with another tutorial.